Presently, we should head into it. Before we dig profound into the Ethereum Classic Value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that ETC is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will ETC succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Ethereum Classic Value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is ETC and its to-date history. Ethereum Classic Introduction. Ethereum Classic, ETC, is a fork of Ethereum. Or on the other hand, as some would agree, Ethereum is a fork of Ethereum Classic contingent upon who you ask, and can be somewhat aggravating. One way or another, the first Ethereum blockchain is parted into two contending renditions. The DAO, otherwise known as the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, was a perplexing shrewd agreement which planned to change Ethereum until the end of time. It was essentially going to be a decentralized funding reserve which planned to finance all future dApps made in the eco framework. In no less than 28 days of its development, it collected more than $150 million worth of Ether in a crowd sale. Around then, it had 14% of all Ether tokens gave to date. On 17 June 2016, somebody took advantage of this very escape clause in the DAO and siphoned away 33% of the DAO's assets. That is around $50 million bucks. The result of the hack split the local area. One section needed to do a hard fork and make another chain with the partition just before the DAO assault. That brought forth Ethereum. The ones that were not in concurrence with the hard fork and demanded the unchanging nature of the blockchain remained in what is currently called Ethereum Classic. And so on is a brilliant agreement stage that has probably the biggest organization movement of any blockchain, reliably higher than Bitcoin Cash, and in a dead heat with Litecoin. They have various engineer groups, every one of whom are focused on the drawn-out ETC vision. They are in the main 10 in developer action, estimated by code commits. They have various wellsprings of financing, and we keep on developing, step by step, commit by commit, line by line of code to make an indestructible organization that anybody can utilize. Both blockchains are indistinguishable all around up until block 1,920,000, where the hard fork to discount the DAO token holders was carried out, implying that every one of the equilibriums, wallets, and exchanges that occurred on Ethereum until the hard fork are as yet substantial on the Ethereum Classic blockchain. After the hard fork, the blockchains were parted in two and act exclusively. The fight among Ethereum and Ethereum Classic is both a moral and philosophical one. Ethereum Classic price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Crypto Vault expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022, August 34.23%, $10.01. 2022, September 54.51%, $6.93. 2022, October 49.77%, $7.65. 2022, November 40.78%, $9.02. 2022, December 41.24%, $8.95. 2023, Jan 31.63%, $10.41. 2023, February 27.40%, $11.05. 2023, Mar 30.01%, $10.65. 2023, April 25.46%, $11.35. 2023, May 15.43%, $12.87. 2023, June 12.81%, $13.27. 2023, July 9.10%, $13.84. And so on. Price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees ETC coming to $31.36 in 2025. What will ETC be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETC in 5 years could lie around $0, as per Crypto Vault expectation model. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2030-2040. What Ethereum Classic will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Ethereum Classic coming to $0 in 2030. What Ethereum Classic will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Ethereum Classic coming to $0 in 2040. Will Ethereum Classic supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Ethereum Classic won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. How high will Ethereum Classic go? Our determining model sees Ethereum Classic cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Ethereum Classic worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Ethereum Classic. It merits purchasing just as a momentary hypothesis with a decent leave technique. Ethereum Classic is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is Ethereum Classic a wise venture? Ethereum Classic is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, not including examiners and publicity pursuing group, and the group behind the venture is problematic. Might Ethereum Classic at any point